Hey everybody, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home of everything Excel. Our goal is always to help you become more efficient by providing tools integrated into your Excel spreadsheet that make your life just a little bit easier. Today, we want to introduce a new feature in our Excel Distance Calculator that many of our clients have been asking for. Calculating toll fees for trips. While our existing tools already calculate driving time and distance, we're now incorporating toll costs using an additional service, Toll Guru. This enhancement will provide you with a complete trip cost analysis, including toll fees for different vehicle types. If you're new here or haven't seen our videos before, all our tools are built in Excel. That means there's nothing to install, and they're designed to be the easiest to use tools of their kind. Now, let's get into how this new feature works. Setting it up is simple. Start by entering your starting and ending addresses. The tool will calculate the driving distance and time, just like before. To make this work, you'll need a Google Maps API key, which is easy to set up with a Google Maps account. Additionally, you'll need a Toll Guru API key. Please note that Toll Guru is a paid service, so you'll need to create an account and set up your payment plan accordingly. Once the API keys are set up, enter your addresses and click Calculate Distances. This will instantly generate the driving distance and travel time in miles or kilometers, depending on your preference. Next, simply click Calculate Tolls. With the help of Toll Guru, the tool will retrieve the toll costs for the selected route, including the option to see costs for toll roads versus toll-free routes. This ensures you have all the necessary information to make the best route decisions. As you can see, it's incredibly easy to use. With just a few clicks, you'll have the driving time, distance, and toll costs displayed in your Excel spreadsheet. You'll be able to compare costs for different routes and choose the one that best fits your budget and travel needs. We've been helping people like you for over 16 years, and over 7,500 customers use our tools every day to make their lives easier. We also receive emails every week from satisfied users who've saved time and effort using our tools. Additionally, we're proud to have over 130 five-star Google reviews from happy customers who love how easy and reliable our tools are. Feel free to browse through them and see for yourself. You can download this tool by clicking the link in the description. If there's anything else you need that this tool doesn't provide, or if there's something we can do to make your life easier, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our phone number and email are in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new tools and features. Until next time.